requirement for this practical are sulphur powder, sugar of milk, porcelain mortar and pestle, stainless steel spatula with spoon, weighing machine, butter paper, and labeling material. Stopwatch. As per ratio, take 1 part of sulphur powder. So it's 2 gram. As per the ratio, we have to take 9 parts of sugar of milk, which are divided into 3 parts, 1, 3 and 5 as per Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. So firstly, we will count 1 part of sugar of milk. So it is 2 gram of sugar of milk. Then as per ratio, 3 parts means 6 grams of sugar of milk, and then 5 parts of sugar of milk as per ratio, that means 10 grams of sugar of milk. So to start the procedure, we have to take 1 part of sulphur powder, that is 2 gram, and 1 part of sugar of milk, that is 2 gram. Take both in clean mortar and pestle. Add 1 part of sulphur and 1 part of sugar of milk in clean porcelain mortar and pestle. Now we will start the procedure of first rubbing that we have to do for 6 minutes. So 6-minute rubbing should be done with equal force. If you are right-handed, then do it in anti-clockwise manner, and if you are left-handed, then do it in a clockwise manner. The rubbing should be continuous with equal strength. Second procedure of scraping. With the help of stainless steel spatula, scrap the inner surface of mortar and the lower surface of pestle continuously for 3 minutes and bring the mixture in the middle of mortar. Now the same procedure is carried out for next 10 minutes, that is 6-minute rubbing, 3 minutes scraping and 1 minute mixing. After completing first 20 minutes, we have to add second part of sugar of milk, that is 3 parts of sugar of milk into the same mixture, and repeat the procedure of rubbing, scraping and mixing for 6 minutes, 3 minutes and 1 minute respectively. So this is second part of trituration is completed after 40 minutes. Now the third and last part of trituration. For this, we have to add the last 5 parts of sugar of milk into the same mixture and triturate it for next 20 minutes of 10 minutes of rubbing, scraping and mixing. So after 1 hour of trituration, we have prepared sulphur 1x. Store it in a well closed container, away from sunlight and away from moisture. This sulphur 1x we have prepared as per class 7, where we need to triturate the drug substances, as sulphur is neither soluble in water nor in alcohol, so we need to triturate it.